Hi, welcome to Beleura House and Garden, and we're in the study today, and I thought we'd go behind the scenes and see how we clean a room like this at a heritage house. Now, if you're like me, you use products like this, you squirt some detergent, you scrub away, and in a couple of hours you feel like you've cleaned your house. We don't use these things at Beleura. We do things altogether differently. So let's go behind the scenes and see how it's done.
Here we are in the study at Beleura. As you can see, there's lots of things to be cleaned here. There's drapes, bookshelves of books, there's a desk with plenty of objects on it, there's photos, side cabinets, desks, chairs, tables, plenty of things to do. We usually work from the ceiling to the floor. Often, because the windows are so tall here, we tend to do the drapes and windows first, then the chandeliers, the cornices up on the ceiling, and then work our way down. Before we start cleaning a specific room, we take photos of all the objects on the tables, on the mantelpiece, on the bookshelves, so we've got a good record where every object is. So we know exactly where everything goes back into its original spot. We use two types of gloves. We use general purpose gloves, just vinyl gloves, but for specific jobs like cleaning silver and cleaning books, we use NITRILE gloves. NITRILE gloves do not react with things like silver. They're made of a neutral material, whereas vinyl gloves can. We go up a ladder, start on the rods and work our way down the drapes with brushes and a vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner vacuuming up the dust that's coming off the drapes. Well, with the Untitled vase, we would wipe it down with distilled water, and if it has a lot of filigree and a lot of cracks and holes in it, we use swabs with distilled water to clean those little cracks out, because they get grease and grime in them sometimes. We use a lot of distilled water mixed with, say, meths for windows and glass. Normal water has minerals and chemicals in it. Distilled water is a neutral, museum-friendly medium. We do here, we pull the book out of the shelf, we clean the spine, clean the front cover, the back cover, open the book back cover, clean the inside of the back cover and the last page, and the inside of the front cover and the first page. We use the screen mesh for heritage items. We would put a vacuum cleaner on low suction, put a screen mesh over the top of the, say, cushion, there's a cushion here that's an original part of the house, and we would, with low suction, just vacuum the whole cushion.
Can you tell me how much of the fireplace you clean?
All the artificial coal and artificial wood that's in there, each piece is individually cleaned with a brush, and the whole fireplace part is vacuumed out.
Well, now you know why it takes us 2 whole days just to clean one room like this in our house. And you know that when you come here, when we reopen shortly, every inch of the house has been cleaned, even the coal.